TikTok showing a server error? Don't panic. Your account isn't hacked. Here's exactly how to fix it right now.
TikTok has nearly 2 billion monthly users worldwide, and server errors affect millions every single month.
In January 2026 alone, over 585,000 outage reports were filed on DOWNDETECTOR in just 24 hours.
You might see server error, meaning TikTok's backend failed, or something went wrong, a generic catch-all message.
Or system busy, which means the server is overloaded. All three point to a connection problem.
Before trying any fix, visit DOWNDETECTOR.com and search for TikTok. If you see a massive spike, it's down for everyone.
In that case, wait for TikTok to fix it. No user-side solution will work during a real outage.
Fix number 1. Fully close TikTok by swiping it away from your recent apps. Wait 10 seconds, then reopen it.
TikTok's own support team recommends this as the very first step, and it resolves most temporary glitches.
Fix number 2. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out your internet provider's routing issues.
Or restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds. This refreshes your connection and often clears the error.
Fix number 3. VPNs and private DNS are the #1 user-side cause of TikTok server errors. TikTok actively blocks many VPN servers. Turn off any active VPN and disable private DNS in your network settings. Fix number 4. Corrupted cache is a major cause of TikTok errors. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, TikTok Storage, then Clear Cache. iPhone users, you'll need to uninstall and reinstall the app, since iOS doesn't allow per-app cache clearing.
Fix number 5. Open the App Store or Play Store. Search for TikTok and tap Update. Enable auto updates so this doesn't happen again.
Here's a real-world example. In January 2026, an Oracle data center lost power due to severe winter weather.
TikTok went down for millions. DOWNDETECTOR recorded 585,000 reports in 24 hours, peaking at over 35,000 in just 15 minutes.
CapCut and HIPIC were also affected. TikTok confirmed all data was safe and 0 views were just a display error.
When servers are fine but you still get errors, the problem is on your end. Here are the main causes.
VPNs block your traffic. Corrupted cache breaks API calls. Expired login tokens cause authentication failures.
Wrong device, date and time breaks, SSL certificates. Low storage prevents the app from functioning properly. Fix number 6. Sign out of TikTok completely. Wait 30 seconds, then sign back in. This refreshes your authentication token.
Fix number 7. Check your device date and time settings. Enable automatic date and time on both iOS and Android.
Fix number 8. If nothing else works, your account might be restricted. Check your account status in TikTok Safety Center.
Try logging in on a different device. If you're banned, submit an appeal through the app.
Last resort. Uninstall TikTok, restart your device, then reinstall. Also, rooted or jailbroken devices get blocked by TikTok security.
To prevent future errors, keep TikTok updated, clear cache monthly, avoid VPNs, and enable automatic date and time.
If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and comment below. Thanks for watching.